Today we are going to make Shakerato. Shakerato is coffee that is shaken, not stirred. We are going to make using an espresso machine for this video tutorial. In my future video, I'm going to show you also two more different ways of making Shakerato, using instant coffee and using cold brew coffee. So this is just the first of the three series. So stay tuned and make sure you click that subscribe button below so you can stay in touch. For the Shakerato today, we are going to make one black and one white. We are going to use 2 shots of espresso for each of those drinks. Let's get started. So now we have our 2 double shots of espresso. We are now ready to make our Shakerato. Just a little bit. Next, our double shot of espresso. An ounce of our simple sugar syrup. Some of the recipe for Shakerato, they just strain the ice out of the shaker. But for us, I'm going to make Shakerato on ice. So we're going to add ice into our glass. There you go. And then we're going to pour our drink over. I'm going to use the same shaker for our next drink, which is, again, we're going to put some ice into the shaker. Just about half the shaker. And then into the shaker, we'll put our 2 shots of espresso, half an ounce of sugar syrup, and an ounce of condensed milk. So this is Shakerato the chow way. Very creamy, very rich. And shake for about 30 seconds. There you go, 2 delicious Shakerato recipe. Let's give them a try. Cheers. Very, very concentrated, very strong, for those who love strong coffee. And the white Shakerato. Wow, that is very delicious. Absolutely amazing. It doesn't only look great, it also tastes very good. So, coffee lovers out there, try this. If you don't have an espresso machine, don't worry. In the next 2 videos, I'm going to show you how to make Shakerato using instant coffee and cold brewed coffee. So I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching and ciao for now.